Time value of money. Systematic investments using PMT function in Excel. Sumit wants to save systematically for his sister's marriage. He estimates that he will need 20 lakh rupees in about 5 years' time for this purpose. He has identified an investment avenue that will give him a post-tax return of 9.5% per annum. He wants to know how much he should save and invest every month to meet this goal. Let us make the calculations using an Excel spreadsheet. We can use the Microsoft Excel function PMT. Click on FX from the status bar at the top of the sheet. Enter the expected rate of return here. Divide the rate by 12 since you are computing the monthly investment required to reach the goal. Against NPER, enter the number of periods over which the investment will be made. If the period is indicated in years, remember to multiply it by 12. The next parameter PV is to be skipped for this calculation. Against FV of future value, enter the future value of the goal. In this case, the estimated marriage expenses 5 years from now. In the next parameter, type, indicate 1 since the investment will be made at the beginning of the month. The result 25,965 rupees is the investment to be made monthly, earning a return at 9.5% per annum to reach the goal value of 20 lakh rupees.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.